morning, internet friends. Welcome back. This is Sierra.
I'm Mister.
And the little man. Hi! Oh, that was really loud. Raised in Japan, American volume. Anyways, today we are going to be going into Tokyo for what very well may be the last time for our time here, which is really sad. Well, we live in Tokyo, but by Tokyo I mean downtown Tokyo. Anyways, this is our last weekend in downtown Tokyo, and we are going to be staying at the Westin because why not? And it's going to be a little bit easier than coming back and forth every day, and we've never actually stayed the night in downtown Tokyo, so that's what we want to do. Anyways, the plan is to go to the hotel today, do some shopping or something, grab some dinner, and then have a grander adventure tomorrow. So we'll just take you guys along for the ride. He doesn't like trains much. You trying to copy him? He's copying you. Hey there guys, so we are at a dinner place now. Well, it's like 3:30, so I guess it's a late lunch place, but anyways, as you guys can see in the background, I'm at a place called Great Lakes Burger, and it is a Michigan/Canada Great Lakes area based restaurant in, well, it's not in Shinjuku, but that's what their address says. Anyways, I'll put the address in the description if you guys want to come here. But they do 3 different kinds of delicious vegan burgers. It's an entirely vegan restaurant, by the way. They do the Superior Burger, Michigan Burger, Ontario Burger. We ordered the Michigan and Ontario burgers, and they're going to be delicious, I assume. And we also got fries with that. And they also have a bunch of drinks and stuff, and it's also technically a bar, so they have an entire glass case of different imported drinks. And everything so far, it looks like it's going to be delicious. So when our food comes, I'm going to show it to you, but I know it's going to be amazing, so I don't see the point in reviewing it.
Thank you.
Whoa, you gonna pick it up?
No. Oh!
How is it?
This is the best burger I've had in a long time.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, let's try it. It looks amazing. Can't trust myself to bite this thing with one hand, so. Ooh, the cheese is really good.
I don't know what they did to it. It's just like some kind of taste that like kicks you or grabs you.
Yeah, it's really yummy. I don't know what it is. It's really good. Hey there, so we're at the hotel now, and this is like one of the nicest places I've stayed in Tokyo so far. I don't want to like make it like super obvious that I'm filming the hotel lobby, but like I want to film the hotel lobby. It's so pretty in here. Yes, okay, okay. Oh, the horse. It's a Pegasus.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the sakura inside. Yeah, eagle. It's like a horse eagle, you're right. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it. It's like an angel horse, yeah. Are you going to say hello to him? Are you going to pet it? Oh. Hi. He's so fascinated. I think he thinks it's alive.
Yeah.
What is it? You want one? I don't think that we can buy it. I'm sorry. I think Daddy will probably say no. Hello. I live here. Would you like to come in? Welcome to my bathroom.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah. Whoa. Shampoo. He hasn't stayed in many hotels, as you guys can tell. Soap. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Is that a comb? Oh, you can brush your hair with it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Alright guys, sorry, it's me again. So I realized I forgot to show you guys the room view, and it's pretty incredible because it's on a high floor. Alright guys, I have my mask on now because the I don't actually know what her title is, but someone came to our room with a strawberry welcome gift, and I have yet to try these in Japan because they're really expensive, and I think they're the kind that I think that they are. But anyways, we got this plate of welcome strawberries, and it's the red ones and then some of the Japanese white ones. So they're supposed to be super sweet, so I'm very excited to try them. Oh, they smell so good. Do you want to smell them? Ooh, yeah. Let's wait, okay? And then because of the club membership that Mr. has, we are also getting some wine and I guess some salad and nuts and stuff. So we will see what happens when it all gets up here. Okay, we're in our yukata and we're all relaxing up in here. Mr's eating the salad.
Mama, I want strawberry.
I know. Just wait, please. And I'm gonna try one of these white strawberries. They're supposed to taste just like a fresh strawberry, but be white. So let's see. Ooh. Well, these are magic. You don't like it?
Yeah. Red.
You want the red ones? Okay. Hey Jan, look, I'm eating a salad. What is it?
Mine.
Is that for you?
Yep.
The hotel manager made it just for you?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, it's like you're a fancy pants kid.
Oh.
Mister, how are you enjoying the treatment?
Okay.
How's the salad?
Okay. I barely started it.
So for the first couple of bites, it's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now all that being said, I did not intend for this video to turn into a look how fun and fancy this hotel room in the Westin is, but that's kind of what it turned into. So I'm sorry, I'm not sorry. Aside from that, we are all done for today. We're gonna enjoy this food, drink some old grape juice, probably take a bath, and go to bed. So if you enjoyed this at all, please make sure to like and subscribe. Give me a comment below how you would respond if you were expecting a regular hotel room and this is the room that you ended up getting. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.